So we're gonna make the roller. And the way that I'm gonna get this guy started is that I'm gonna create it on the front plane. Okay. What I wanna do is I want to do a center line right at that axis. Since I don't want this to move at all. To avoid the lines moving around, I'm just gonna place this in here. Okay. And I will now just make these lines in between. Make sure they're vertical. I'll go ahead and do the same on the other end. Okay. Put it there. And over here as well. Now I can just add the dimensions to this. Actually, let me just trim this right here since I'm not gonna need them anymore. This bottom line is going to be 40. The top one should be 26. So we're driven. Let me just get rid of some of these ones here. Make sure they're connected. This one, in this case, is not. And I can fix that by holding the control key, selecting this one, selecting this one. Okay, and I want them to be coincident. There you go. Let's see if this works now. That has to be 26. Okay. Let me just move this line a bit to the side. I know the distance from here to here is 8. I'm gonna hold the control key in case this line moved for you as well. So I'm gonna select this line and this one, and I want them to be parallel to each other. Distance from here to this line should be 9. Distance from this center line to this line should be 13. And from here to this line should be 20. Okay. Now, since I have this position already, I'm gonna start adding dimensions from the center line to this one, and that has to be 12. Then from here to this dot has to be 15. From here to this one has to be 20. I go back to the center line, this top one, and that has to be 33. Just give myself a little bit of space. I go back to the center line, and now I'm gonna do it to this line right here, to this dot in here, because I replaced it for this one. Okay. So to that dot in there, that is supposed to be 35. And then here, 38. Essentially it should be the same for the other ones. So let's see if I can, you can either add the dimensions or just make them equal. So control, I'm gonna hold the control key, select this one, select this other one, make it equal, select this one, and this line right here, make them equal. That didn't work. So let's just add the dimensions. It's a little bit of extra work, but that's totally fine. I know that that right there has to be 20. From here to this side has to be 33. Now I'm gonna go from this dot to this center line. That didn't go through, so let me try that again. Center line to this line has to be 33, and it's stuck right there. Let me turn this off and perhaps move. Oh, it's right here already. And that is supposed to be 35. Okay. And just double checking. Have the 13, 20, 26, 9, 8, and this is it. So now just go to revolve. Let me just check mark. Now I'll go revolve. And axis of revolution, I actually want this to, I want to revolve it around this. And that'll be it. So there you go. You have your roller now. Okay.